Just another day in my life. Yeah. Sound good, don't it? For the gangsters, pimps, riders, rollers, money, the weed, liquor, the homies. Wake up and I'm feeling good. Just another day in the hood. Police outside the block is crazy. I do my own thing, y'all can't fade me. Coming from a sunny side, yes indeed. West Coast till I die, bury me a G. Bandana on the head as I pray to God. If you niggas throw shade, don't approach my car. Bouncing down the street with the system banging. Ain't no mumble rap here, so you hear what I'm saying. The G's outside the Integrity Car Club. Coming from a city where they show me the most love. I pass on the bitch, got some cash to get. Only thing she wanted sex, so I hit and split. 7 days a week, we be getting our ride on. Need to change the weather, so I switch the time zone. This is how we do it, it all goes down. You can get it how you want it, now how that sound? Look, I do what I want and get it crackin'. I made nigga for real, thanks for asking. No mask at all, but still packing. Learn from the thugs, don't fall and keep blasting. Okay, it's just another day. No games, let's all get paid. It's just another day. Okay, it's just another day. No games, let's all get paid. It's just another day. Shout out to King and my big homie J.O. Rob, Armani, Primo, El Capo, Deanna, P-More, my hooks, my bars, the 8, my money, the gang, the mob, my main man Big T, Jokes and K-Dog, Clever, Dubs, the list goes on. My 20-year homie Weez, activated music, C2 TV, you know we about to do it. Hop in 86, 805 Cali, my little brother Zay, my sisters, my mother. I can go on about how I feel through the music, but one thing, can't forget Rich, Rollin' Snoop. There's love in the shit, plus the rules involved. Clientele's to the truth, was raised an outlaw. Rest in peace, Black Savage, I miss you, nigga. Tell my homie Quan, gotta keep it pimpin', nigga. I'm back on my shit, I take the risk. Put money on your head to confirm the hit. People think it's all palm trees, bud, and bitches. If you really want some game, you should learn to listen to a LA's best. Lindsay Hustle and Kobe Bryant, y'all ain't died for nothing. We together and still trying. Had thug niggas crying, can't hold back tears. Give a toast to you both to pour out a few beers. Let's ride on GP, it's on the night. I can hear it in the air, it can feel it in the vibe. Please forgive me if I'm wild and doing the most. Everybody gotta love the West Coast. Okay, it's just another day. No games, let's all get paid. It's just another day. Okay, it's just another day. No games, let's all get paid. It's just another day.
Cave TV and Watts Life representative Lowdown. We here for a reason. Can you just give us a few words for the nation, international wise?
Hey, how y'all doing? My name is Lowdown. I'm president of Watts Life Car Club. This is our 40th year anniversary, and like I say, 4 decades of excellence, and we still doing it. Our original members and founders will be here today and put it out there. Y'all can hear the real story where Watts Life came from, not what you done heard in the 90s and all that right there. You hear what from the late 70s to the early 80s and bring you back up to date what Watts Life is about. And when I say Watts Life is #1, that's what I mean. I ain't trying to knock nobody, but definitely come to Watts and car clubs in Watts. Watts Life is #1, period.
Real lowrider shit.
On your man cave.
Real lowrider shit.
Okay.